Nawawala ako.
Walang dito ka muna, oh. Dito muna kay ano. Mamaya na yan, dito muna. Nauna kaya kami dito. Kaya na, picturean ko kayo. Picture. Hindi pa kami mga nakaguli. Pati na lang kayo doon para makuha yun. Pwede rin, ha? Gusto mo eh.
Hala, muntik nang mahulog.
Maanghang pala pili.
Anghang.
Siguro yung anghang niya, pepper. Bakit masarap talaga? Ako hindi naman. Masarap?
Yung kinain.
Parang may kinain ako na.
Parang
May pepper talaga na ano.
paminta.
Kaya hindi, paminta at saka ano, malaki na ano.
Ano, sili?
Sili? Hi guys.
Picture or video? Video.
Hindi pa pala tapos.
Ha? Resort na lang.
Nalaman niya na lang kasi ako papasok. Hindi ba
Papasok si Ate Lilia, siya ang yatang
siya lagi ang ano? Down na daw.
Oh,
Down na daw.
akala ko ano na.
Upo na, upo.
Hindi pa pala.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Alright. Balik na kayo sa mga upuan nyo.
Yan ang sinabi ng leader.
Leaders.
Leaders.
But before that, let's be for the time to say thank you to everyone. Meron.
Okay.
Mahina ako kanina.
Okay, siyempre, lahat naman tayo because we have studied the Bible, right? Kaya, manalo pa rin tayo. Hindi kaya sa points, ha? Okay, the prizes will be awarded on the 19th next month, 19th of April. Our founding anniversary. Okay? Hindi ba kompleto eh? Wala pa. Yung Bible, red Bible, isang regalo. Nasaan na? Pinalik pa lang ako. this question. Thank you, Brother Stephen. And here, should be at home now, sleeping, but someone got her like that. But she's here also to read the question. And guys, Rector, maraming salamat sa inyong participants, proctor, sa lahat ng tumulong, sa mga nanalo, congratulations. Before we announce the winners, I would like to call Brother Stephen because this is my last Bible encounter here. Next year, ayaw na lang. Brother Stephen, could you please say something? How easy it is to make questions?
Thank you very much, Ruby, for everything you've done as well. And Ruby's been doing this for a very long time, so let's give her a round of applause. Thank you, Ruby. And then I hope that you would, the best part of the Bible encounter, I hope that was your study, right? The preparation is the real part of it. I hope that you read all of John, and I hope that you were amazed by it. John is such a beautiful book of the Bible, we really should read it all the time. So, as Father Joaquin said today, right, take time this week, read through John 18 and John 19, and really just kind of soak in that story of Jesus as we get ready for Easter on Sunday. Especially if you can't go on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to all of the Holy Week things. Hopefully you can, but I understand that might not be possible. But again, Jesus is with you, and the Holy Spirit is with you, even if you cannot go to church. Right? Ultimately, that's the best thing to do, is to pray and connect with Him through preparing for His Word. So hopefully you got a lot of that as you prepared for this. And originally Revelation was supposed to be on the list as well, but I think Ruby got that cut off. So you can give her a round of applause for removing Revelation. That would have been a lot more work for sure. So good. And again, I really enjoy watching you guys do this. I hope one day I can actually teach you before I would do this. That would be very nice. So it'd be a lot easier for you to get questions if I knew what you were supposed to know. That would make it a lot easier. But a round of applause to all of you. Well done. That was a lot of fun.
Thank you, Brother Stephen. And now we're going to announce the winners from
Regardless of the scores that you get, we counted according to the top 5, the highest scorers, top 5. Okay, so I'll pass the microphone back to our coordinator to announce the winners.
Okay, from LOM. Please stand when you hear your name.
Thank you.